Alright, you're gonna have to sing something.
Give me an Irish jig. Da da da. What's the Lord of the Dance?
Ow!
You kicked her. Keep going, keep going. It's not over.
I'm gonna fall off the platform.
I'm gonna put this with music, so just keep dancing, and then we got the dog in the picture because he's gonna take a pee right behind you. Come on. Okay, Luke, now get in here. I'm gonna dance with you. Come here. You gotta hold the camera. No, Sarah, come back. Sarah, come back. Ready? Hold it. Hold it.
Will I push go?
No, it's already going.
Oh, go. Oh, I can't dance if I'm holding this, can I?
I always have to dance here when I come. I don't know what we're thinking about. I just do like an Irish jig on this.
These are some of the results of suffering from Lyme disease, dementia.
Okay, ta-da!